Oh, hi there, Winky. There's
Attention all EAS viewers. We have currently interrupted the Fillmore services to bring you this weather alert. We are announcing today's weather. First announcement. Hey, this is DiH EAS service wheel, and today entire weather services are gonna knock down thunderstorms today. There will be severe thunderstorms today in 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. It will immediately be scary, once it thunders. And attention all viewers, remember, there will be Winky monsters appearing at your house in 1 a.m. Please make sure that the Winky monsters don't attack you for immediate purposes, but if they do, we'll send a quick announcement right away. Second, weather alert. Hey guys, this is DiH National Service Wheel with Oda. Today we are having the alert systems that all of the people have manufactured expected alert to give you this warning. We have immediately stopped Fillmore to give you this warning. It was completely corrupted within this alert system. There are no more reports. Now we're returning to your scheduled program.
Thanks for the help, Winky.